Are you ready?
Ready. I'm almost ready. Gonna put my knee pads on.
Air compressor is set up outside. We ran it through the window, and then it makes it a little bit easier for us to hear the noise.
Yeah, so obviously the air compressor and the air hammer are loud. The dog is terrified of them, so Terry's gonna take Hunter upstairs in one of the rooms once I start here in a second. I mean, he's already shaking. He just doesn't like the sound. So I'm gonna work for as long as I can here. It's 6 o'clock now, so I'll probably work no more than about 2 hours so that I'm not being a nuisance to the neighbors. But we'll see how much I can get done in the meantime. A little further.
I gotta take him upstairs.
Yeah.
He is just so miserable.
This is 1 hour of work with the hand chisel and hammer. It's effective, but very slow and obviously physically demanding. I got about 32 tiles knocked out. Rough estimate for the rest of the kitchen, it would take me about 5 hours with the hand chisel and the hammer. And my goal is to get it done by this weekend. So if I could get a reciprocating hammer and do it in 2 hours with that, we'll see. You will see what I decide. Comes with a cart, so you can just walk behind it and push it. Pretty heavy duty bit. It's a reciprocating hammer.
did an amazing job.
Thanks.
What do you think that is?
That's the black stuff that's painted onto the cement.
Oh. So it'll come up with the sand?
Yeah, no, it'll be fine.
Okay.
That just means I got all the thin set off.
Yeah. I mean, the amount that's left is so minimal.
Well, over here, all of it's left. I haven't done any of this yet.
That's because that's the section you did by hand.
Well, to here.
Yeah.
So I basically just knocked all the tile off over here because I wanted to get all the tile around.
Yep.
And then as I started doing more thin set here.
Okay.
So,
It looks good.
a bit dusty in here.
Yeah. You will look cute gray.
You want to use the shop vac in here to suck up as much as we can without causing more dust. Okay.
I'm smiling.
You talking about the plan?
To
plan
get
for
rid
this
of
stuff?
this pile, yeah.
Get the trailer and throw this carpet down on the trailer. Get the tile onto the trailer on the carpet and just
Take it to the
basically
dump.
cover it with more carpet, tie it all down, take it to the dump.
Okay. If you didn't catch that, we're going to use our trailer and put the carpet down and then stack the tile and then carpet and then tile and then take that to the dump.
Yesterday I was able to knock out all of the tile from the kitchen, and off camera we cleaned up everything, so I'll give you a quick look at how all that looks right now. So most of the thin set is still down on the floor. A couple areas where I was able to get some of it off, like right here, but by and large most of the thin set is still on the ground. So today I'm going to be using a different tool. This is a floor finisher, and I have an attachment that goes on this tool. So on this tool is this attachment. It's got some metal teeth. And they are supposed to be good for grinding down thin set and getting glue and mastics and that type of stuff off of paint, off of concrete. So I'm gonna give that a shot. It recommends that you wet down the floor so that it creates less dust. So I'm gonna try and do that. Hopefully I can avoid causing more work. We're already gonna have to dust stuff, but hopefully I can avoid making it much worse by wetting down the floor before I start. So I'm gonna do that and then get started.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you would like to support us, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.